Thank you guys and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is always Mr. Fred Moore. If you're new to this channel, just remember to subscribe and also remember to click that notification bell so that when I release any video, you'll be the first one to view the video. Thank you so much guys and welcome. Today I'll be teaching you on how to understand the tune while playing Catholic piano. How to understand the tune. What is a tune? A tune is like so if you don't understand the tune properly and just absorb it into your brain, it will be so hard for you to play the song. First is to understand the tune clearly. If you are to you need to understand the tune. Why? Because you can be playing a song that you don't even understand. You are playing like a French song, you are playing like a Jaluo song, a Kamba Catholic song. You are playing a song that you don't understand the language. So even if you don't understand the language, you are supposed to be understanding the tune. So the tune first, the tune is very important. Just understand it. Like uninyunyizie maji, and I'll be showing you on how to understand the tune with the key of E major. E major, I'm playing on a key of G, but I have transposed my piano to -3, so you can transpose your piano to -3. Yeah, so I'll be teaching you with this song. No, bono. Let me say you don't know even the words, but you just listen to a person singing the song. The person is singing bono bono uto horomi ewe bono, so that you know da 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 lo 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 do lo 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 do lo lo. So you have to find the first chord. So you see, I just found the chord. Let's start with the melody first, not the chord. You find the chord, so you need to start here. So you see, because this lesson is of courtesy of one of you who told me, how do you know the tune of the song? The tune of the song is supposed to be on your mind. It doesn't matter if you know the song, if you know how to play it, if you don't know how to play it. You just need to understand the tune and you can play any song. Just listen to the tune like twice or thrice and then you are good to go. So this da 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 da. Utukufu juu kwa Mungu, utukufu. what matters is practice. You know, while I'm just playing even this tune, I don't look at the piano because my brain have absorbed those or tunes in the piano. So if I touch anything, I know that my brain knows that I'm going to go a higher octave or a lower octave according to the tune of the song. So the tune of the song, just try to practice with the tune of different songs. Even if it's like 50 songs, just practice the tune daily with those tunes, and you will be good to go. That is a great advice. I know that this lesson have helped you somewhere. So make sure you have subscribed, like, and comment to this YouTube channel at Fred Moa. Let's go. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Just subscribe and just comment if you want me to teach you any song. Thank you guys, and God bless you always.